Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 578 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out another AOA Studio product. This is the A2O Spectrum Bronzer. So this was also part of my recent Shopmissa haul, so I will have that video linked down below if you haven't seen it yet and you want to get an idea of what the upcoming products are going to be as part of my Trying a New Makeup Product Every Day series. But so I've already tried out the A2O Spectrum Rainbow Highlighter, the Spectrum Blush. So if you want to see my reviews on those products, I will have those videos linked down below as well. But I think that these are so fun, unique, and the rainbow highlighter and the blush were both really good and really beautiful. And so when I saw that they made a bronzer version, I had to get it. And so the packaging on this too is just so cute. So this, since it was from Shopmissa, was only $1. It's cruelty-free, it's vegan, and it's paraben-free. And so here is what it looks like. You get 6 different shades. So what you can do is take a small brush and pick up individual shades, or you can mix them all together, or you can do stripes. So I'm gonna do a little swatch and see if I can pick up, I'm gonna focus on the first 3 shades. Oh my gosh, these are looking so pretty and pigmented. Look at that. Oh my gosh. These are very shiny. They have like metallic sheen to them, which I think is very pretty. But that means that this won't work great as a contour, but more just like a glowy, bronzing bronzer. And then let me go ahead and swatch the bottom 3 shades. So actually Shopmissa has 2 different versions of their Spectrum bronzer. So this one is the Stardust bronzer, which is the lighter version, but then they also have I think it's called Moon Dust bronzer, which is a darker version. Ooh. So I tried to swatch each individual color and you can see that they really do stay in their stripe. So these would also be able to be used as individual eyeshadows too, which I think would be really pretty. So let's see, this is risky, but I think I'm gonna go for it. I think I'm gonna swirl my brush. Ooh, picked up a lot of kickback here. And okay, I'm gonna just tap off a little bit into my hand here. We can also get a swatch. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful glow. Okay, yeah, I'm going to mix all the colors and apply it right to my face. But I'm glad I tried that out first, but if I found that when I mixed them all together it was too dark or something, I could just focus on the bottom half or certain shades. But I think mixing them all together looks okay. Okay, and so my face it just right now has foundation and concealer, so it's looking very one shade. So I'm excited to add some glow and bronze to it. Uh-oh, that's a little too much. Oh gosh. We might have a problem here. Oopsie, and I thought I took off a lot of the product. Okay, let's go in a little bit lighter here. This is actually blending out fantastically and looking really nice on the skin, and I actually really love this shade of all the colors mixed together. Okay, you know what, we're gonna have to ignore that here, but look at that shine. I'll show you just so you can see that metallic sheen practically, but it has such beautiful glow to it. I'm like, oh my gosh, I look at this side of my face and then I look at this side and I'm like, whoa, so much better. But seriously, it looks so smooth, but glowy. So excited about that. Okay. And then I'm just going to apply it along the hairline to add some bronze and glow there. So what I'm going to do to fix having too much bronzer there is honestly probably go over it with a powder, like a foundation powder or a translucent powder, and tone that down. And also, I'll probably take my baking powder and do a cut here to kind of do that cut baking since it's going way too low. I seriously have found so many fantastic bronzers that are only $1. And this is another one. I seriously am so impressed by how beautifully this all blends out. Considering it's a mix of a bunch of different colors, they look so smooth on the skin. Okay, so let me just go like this, but I love how this transformed my skin. It gave it glow, it gave it bronze. Seriously, I love this. So I recently tried out the Hoola bronzer and I really liked it, but that's a $30 bronzer and that's a matte bronzer. But I love how this $1 version looks on my skin just as much as that Hoola bronzer. I'm not saying this is a dupe for that at all, but I'm just saying you don't need to spend a lot of money on a bronzer to get a great result. So I've been having so much success with my AOA Studio products lately. I hope that the streak continues because if you've seen my Shopmissa haul, you know that I have a lot more products to try out. But I would love to know in the comments down below what your favorite AOA Studio or Shopmissa products are. And if I haven't tried them out yet, I will definitely pick them up. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.